to the woman I love more than any other person or thing.
The moment that I saw your eyes, I knew you were the one for mine.
Sydney, you have taught me how to love in a way I never thought I could have. I have prayed many prayers to God that I would find a love that I have found with you. From the first time I told you I loved you, that statement has been true every single time.
It is hard to put into words the effect you've had on my life. I have never felt a love as deep as the one that we share. You have taught me the true meaning of being rich, and that isn't the amount of money you have. Rich is having someone who will dance in the kitchen for hours with me just because it makes me happy. And rich is being able to feel such deep compassion and love that I oftentimes didn't give to myself. If the only thing left that I had in this world was your love, I am rich. And I am so grateful that I get to spend the rest of my life with you.